اليوم هذا من رياكشن على مغني جديد موهبة جديدة from Indonesia.
We are going to do another Dimas Senopati and
Dimas, let's go.
guys, I'm sorry I paused it just when we're like just starting. But yes, once again, kudos to the guy that's doing the guitars. I do prefer him more. Call me biased or whatever, but I do like his style of of playing the guitar. So much so.
Ooh, my boy killing it.
I've gone through changes.
Dimas, what was that? That came out of nowhere. Let's go. My boy killing it on them strings right now. My boy Dimas killing it, with the air guitar. We know he can kill the real thing. We seen it before. We seen him do his thing with the guitar before. But right now, he doing it with the air guitar. Or is that air piano? I don't know. But let's jump into it.
I've gone through changes, I'm through pain. There's not enough reason for me to go insane. I know the feeling, just when it grows. I'm in a rage up from my head down to my toes. You know it ain't easy, running up trees. You know it ain't easy, when you don't know what you want.
The rest, guys, please don't quote me on that, but I do enjoy his way of strumming his strings on his fingers, strumming my pain with his fingers. I'm just kidding.
What do you want? Whoa, you want to rock, rock, now rock the night. Whoa, whoa, if it's right, rock, now rock the night. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know my living, just what it takes.
Amazing. They rocked. Wow. Just so musically talented, man. And they just make it look so easy.
I just pull the brake. Sometimes it's easy. So just have one thing clear, I can get enough. You know it ain't easy, running up the tree. You don't know what you want. What do you want? Rock, now rock the night, till in the morning light.
I do prefer him more. Call me biased or whatever, but I do like his style of of playing the guitar. So much.
Yeah, rock, now rock the night. Hey, rock, now rock the night. Whoa, whoa, now rock the night. Rock, now rock the night. Rock, now rock the night.
My boys.
Rock, now rock the night.
Wow.
You know it ain't easy, running up the trees.
Whoa. Whoa. And they just made it look easy. How do you make it look so easy? That is just pure talent right there, man. A lot of hard work right there. Just out of this world. So much fun. So happy that I discovered Dimas.
You know it ain't easy, when you don't know what you want. Oh, you want to rock, now rock the night. Rock, now rock the night. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Rock, now rock the night. Whoa, whoa.
That was lovely. That was lovely. That was lovely. was lovely, guys. That was amazeballs.